Did you know you can create and personalize your own stamps at Sanrio Japan stores? Get your stamp and pay for it at the cashier. Go to the stamp kiosk. Usually there are no lineups, but today there's another customer just finishing their design. Press start, and then you can start designing your own stamp. You can choose from a variety of characters like Hello Kitty, My Melody, Kuromi, Cinnamoroll, Pom Pom Purin, Keroppi, Pochako, and other Sanrio characters. I love this Hello Kitty and Tiny Chum design. Type in your name. You can enter Japanese or English characters, numbers, and different type of symbols. You can also add clip arts to the design. Which one should I pick? How about Hello Kitty's red bow? It's so kawaii. Unfortunately, you can't resize it. The flower is adorable too. Tap Finish when you're happy with the design. It will show you a preview of the design. Put the stamp on the tray, tap print, and just wait a moment. Yay, it's done! Don't you think it's adorable? If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.